All right, welcome back to another rocket of the day. Today's rocket of the day is the Star Wars Robot Hero R2-D2, skill level 2. This was an acquired kit. As you can see here, this is the original card. This is from 1977 when Star Wars and Estes got together. The movie was coming out, the original Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. And they put out a line of Star Wars kits. And this is the R2-D2 one. I acquired this. I wasn't even around yet. But these are the original plans and original face card. And you probably noticed this kit is a little bit different. This is my converted version. I have an R2 unit, but this is my R2Q5, the Imperial Droid version of it. I converted to fly on 24mm motors because they originally come flying on 18mm, which is a C63 engine. So I've flown this a few times. It flies really nice on D12-3s, and I think I put a Q-Jet in the R2 one because that one 18mm. It wasn't my build. This one was my build because I just had parts. So I had to acquire this tube. I had to get this tube. I got the tube from E-Rocket's Biz. He has them. And I just had the legs and this top part in the bottom. So I was able to put my own motor in there, parachute, and everything else. And I had these flight fins. You need these to fly it. One of these is actually broke because I think the last time I flew this, he hit the ground kind of hard and it cracked this fin. So I just have to glue this back together. This one has been broken, but it's still good. Yeah, it's still good for right now. Gotta probably get some more reinforcement glue on there, but this is a fun rocket to fly. Nice in the small fields. I mean, it get up there pretty good even on a D12-3. Got a lot of nose weight up top. Goes pretty good. And a lot of you guys are new. Some of you guys are new, just joining this channel. Everything you see that I'm showing, I've flown, so you don't have to say I want to see it fly. Just go back and check some of the older videos. Just check the archives and you'll see flights for a lot of this stuff. You'll see in the J card. It'll show not J card. I'm talking about. You'll see in the thumbnail the image of this rocket. So I've flown everything I'm showing you. I've pretty much flown. I'll state if I didn't fly it yet or not, but just go check because a lot of stuff has been flown. I just detailed this out, got this gold foil, and just did all the detailed markings and stuff like that. Had some testers, model paint, did some gold here, some gold paint there. There's a couple more details that are missing. He has a little piece here, a lens that goes here, and there's a lens that go there. I was supposed to be fashioning one, and just never got around to it, but yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool. And the flight fins, they go on like this. It's a little hole in there, and they go on. And they're supposed to screw in place. But I just leave them. I tape them in place. And if they want to pop off on landing, that's okay. Because it gives it a little freedom to go if they want to go instead of holding on tight and then they get broken. Well, one got broken anyway. I think that hit the ground hard. I think it slammed it. But they fell before and they've not broken, but they've been breaking as of late. And this is a really extremely rare and hard to come by piece. You can only get these in these vintage Star Wars kits. But anyway, this is today's rocket of the day. It is the R2-D2, but I converted it to R2Q5, which is the Imperial droid, the one you see rolling around the Death Star. And he's on the bad guy side. So he's Astro Droid. And this is a rocket of the day. Subscribe to the channel. Please hit the thumb up button. It helps the channel a lot. Drop a comment and do all that stuff. Check the links. You can get an Estes discount code. Be sure to put that in. Shop Estes. Put in IN _ and 321 at checkout, and you will get a discount on your order. So go do that. That helped the channel. That helped me. Everything is help. I'll keep bringing you content. Help me out. SmileRock321, and I am out. I'll be back. Wrong movie.